Students, in this class we'll see the arithmetic progressions, last exercise 11 to 15th questions. Okay, let's see one by one. If the sum of the first n terms of AP is given as 4n minus n square, sum of first n terms is given as 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is S1. And if the what is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th, nth terms. This question has come just to make you understand of this formula. If you remember, an is equal to sn minus 1 formula. How these related? Let's see one by one. So sn is given, right? So what is first term? First term is nothing but s1 itself, because if you know the AP is like this 4, 7, 10 like that. What is the first term here? 4 only. What is the S1? Means sum of first term. First term itself, right? S1 itself become first term only. So similarly, I can write, since they asked the first term, S1, 4 of 1 minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1, 3. First term we got as 3. Sum of first two terms they want. Sum of first two terms means in the Sn, if you just substitute 1, 2, 3, that is nothing but sum of those number of terms. Okay. So S2 is equal to 4 of 2 minus 2 square. 4 to the 8 minus 4 is 4 only, right? Sum of first two terms. What is the second term? If you come back to the example, what is sum of two terms here? 11. What is the second term? S2 minus S1 will be second term, right? What is the second term here? 7. Similar ways, see, second term A2 is equal to S3, S2 minus S1. What is S2? 4 minus 3, 1. Remember that this formula is very important. Second term they want means A2, Sn means S2, n minus 1 means 1. Second term. Very important. This is a conceptual question. Pay attention. Okay. Done. Second term we found. Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth term. What is third term? Similarly, yes, A3 you use, right? A3. A3 is equal to, in the Sn, put ns3. So it becomes S3 minus S2, right? A3. Second term we found, right? Okay. Since we don't know S3, we cannot find that. So instead, if since I know A, A1, A2, I can find D, right? D equal to A2 minus A, that is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Therefore, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is what? A is 1, 3 plus n minus 1 we don't know. D is minus 2. If we open 2n, sorry, minus 2n plus 2, that is An becomes 3, means 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2n. Once you have an, you can find n number of terms. They want third term, 10th term, nth term. Nth term we found. Therefore, A3 is equal to 5 of 2 of 3 means minus 1. A3 we found, V8 10 they want, means n is equal to 10, you have to put 5 minus 2 of 10. 5 minus 20 is minus 15. Okay. 5 minus 2 of 10 equal to minus 15. Okay. So whatever they want, just justify. Therefore, what is what is the first term? First term equal to 3. Second term, what is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms. Sum of first two term is S2, 4. Then second term A2 we found 1. Third term, A3 we found minus 1. Then 10th term we found as minus 15. Last anth term, therefore an is equal to 5 minus 2n. Okay, this is a concept based question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. 11th is done. 12th, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. It's very kind of important, easy question. So we'll just write positive integers divisible by 6, or means first positive, but there will be infinite number. So you say first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18, right? Here A is what? 6. D is 12 minus 6 is 6. N is equal to 40. S40 they want. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S40 is equal to 40 by 2, 2 of 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D is 6. 20, 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja, 2 6 ja 12 plus 39. 39 into 6 it becomes 234. That becomes 20 of 246, right? Becomes 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 okay 9, 2 6 the 12, right? 2 6 the 12, 1 carry 9 0 means 4920. That's the answer. Simple one. 2 marks question. We'll move to the next question. 13th one. Similar way. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. It's a similar one. I'll give you the AP. I'll give ADN. You calculate yourself, and I'll give the answer for that. Simple. Find the sum of first multiple. First, see. First 15 multiples of 8 are 8, 8, 8 tables basically. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 24. A is 8, D is 16 minus 8, 8 because it's are 8 multiples. How much? First 15, N 15. Therefore, S15 they want. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2a plus N minus 1 into D. S15 they want. 15 by 2, 2 of 8 plus N minus 1 means 15 minus 1 into D is 8. On simplification, it becomes 15 by 2 of 2 8 is 16, 14 8 is 112. So 15 by 2 into 112, 122, 128, right? 128. If you cancel 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja. So 1564 ja it becomes 1564 ja 960 it is. Okay. 960. That is the answer. Okay. Simple only. Similar 12, 13, 14 and all similar questions. We'll move to the 14th question quickly. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50. So, odd numbers between 0 to 50 are 1, 3, 5, dash, dash, dash. 49 is the odd, right? 50 is not an odd. Therefore, from this one, we get A equal to 1, D equal to 3 minus 1, 2, AN is equal to 49. So since AN is known, we don't know N here. So first we'll find N here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 49, A1 plus N minus 1 into D2. 41 minus 1, 48 by 2 equal to N minus 1, 24 it becomes N is equal to 25. Therefore, Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus An formula we can use because we have An available, N is available, A is available. Just substitute and get the answers. Just see. Where is the marker? Okay. Okay. N is 25 by 2, A is 1 plus An is 49. So 25 by 2 into 50, 25, 25 is a 625. That is the sum required. Okay, just conclude that. So we can see the last question, 15th one here, and it looks very big in the number of lines in the question, but it is very easy to read it. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date. Means some job is given as a contract, means if they have to complete it by the said time. If not, there will be penalty laid. Like how? How much? 200 rupees for the first day, 250 rupees for the second day, 300 for the third day, like that. It exceeds by 50 rupees more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor to pay as a penalty if he delayed the work by 30 days? Okay, means 30 day he delayed the work, every day 50 rupees will be charged more. So by this, what we can understand is 50 rupees is the common difference, right, between the every day. So it's in AP. Let's check out. So given penalties are in AP because the penalty is rupees 15 rupees 50 rupees 50 for each day, right? Therefore 200, 250, 300, 300 dash 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 dash. Here A is what? 200. D is 250 minus 200, that is 50. Penalty for 30 days they want, means N is 30 here, remember that. So penalty for 30 days is N is 30. Just substitute that value, you get it, get the answer, penalty answer here. Okay. Okay. So penalty for 30 days is Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D, 30 by 2, N is equal to 30, you write. 2A means 2 of 200 plus 30 minus 1 into 50. 15 of 400 plus 2 1 2 15 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 5 is how much it becomes? 1450. So on addition it becomes 1850. On multiplication with 15 it comes 27,750. Okay. Therefore, required money contractor has to pay. The contractor has to pay is rupees 27,750. Okay. That's it. That's the answer for that. Okay. Thank you.